impacts and solutions. I have my son here, my husband here, and I have my daughter on Zoom today. Picture a world where winter storms hit like hurricanes, summers feel like ovens, and coastlines slowly disappear underwater. That world isn't far away, it's already forming. Climate change is one of the most significant global challenges of the 21st century. According to the Intergovernmental Panel on climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperature and weather patterns, primarily driven by human activities, such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes. NASA explains that human-caused greenhouse gas emissions trap heat in the atmosphere, causing the planet to warm at unprecedented rates. And then the NOAA reports that global temperatures continue to rise, contributing to more frequent and severe climate events. Today, I will explain what climate change is, what causes it, and how it affects the planet, and what solutions scientists recommend. To begin, it is important to understand the causes of climate change. Human activities have dramatically increased the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. These gases, especially carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide, trap heat and cause the planet to warm. NASA states that the atmospheric CO2 levels are now higher than at any point in the last 2 million years. This rise is largely due to the burning of coal, oil, and natural gas for energy and transportation. Deforestation also contributes by reducing the number of trees that absorb carbon dioxide, according to the IPCC. Next, climate change has widespread and far-reaching impacts on natural systems and human communities. Rising temperatures intensify extreme weather events, including heat waves, droughts, floods, and wildfires. The NOAA reports that recent years have seen record-breaking temperatures and increased climate-related disasters. The IPCC Working Group 2 report explains that climate change is already affecting ecosystems, biodiversity, food security, and water resources across every region of the world. Many species are shifting their ranges. Coral reefs are experiencing mass bleaching, and glaciers are melting at accelerated rates. Human communities, especially those with fewer resources, face increased risks from storms, sea level rise, and reduced agricultural productivity, according to NASA. And I printed out this visual here of our country and the projected changes by the mid-century. So from 1981 to 2010, it shows like how the temperature is rising. And then from 2060 to 2069, the emissions rise up in the States, as you can see there. So it's just getting worse. Climate change also poses significant risks to human health. Higher temperatures increase the likelihood of related illnesses, while changing weather patterns influence the spread of infectious disease. The IPCC notes that climate-related health risks are expected to grow as warming continues, particularly in vulnerable populations, according to the IPCC. These impacts highlight the interconnected nature of climate systems and humans' well-being. Finally, scientists emphasize that solutions to climate change require both mitigation and adaptation. Mitigation focuses on reducing greenhouse gas emissions through renewable energy, improved energy efficiency, and sustainable agriculture and reforestation. Adaptation involves preparing communities for the impacts that are already unavoidable, such as strengthening infrastructure, improving water management, and developing early warning systems for extreme weather. The NOAA highlights the importance of climate resilient infrastructure, while the IPCC stresses that effective climate action must combine both approaches to reduce risk and build resilience. In conclusion, climate change is a complex issue driven by human activities, affecting ecosystems, communities, and global health. NASA, NOAA, and IPCC all agree that climate change is accelerating and poses serious risks to both natural systems and human well-being. Understanding its causes, impacts, and solutions is essential for informed decision making. While the challenge is significant, scientific research provides clear guidance on how societies can respond. By increasing awareness and knowledge, we can better support efforts to protect the planet and ensure a safer future for generations to come. Thank you.